Sachin Tendulkar is a retired Indian cricketer widely considered one of the greatest batsmen of all time. He was born on 24 April 1973 in Mumbai, India. Tendulkar began playing cricket at a young age and made his debut for the Indian cricket team at the age of 16. He went on to play for India for 24 years, from 1989 to 2013. During his career, Tendulkar set many records and achieved numerous milestones. He is the leading run scorer in both Test and One-Day International (ODI) cricket. He is the only player to score 100 international centuries and is the first player to score a double century in ODI cricket. He also holds the record for the most number of runs in both Tests and ODIs. Tendulkar was also known for his sportsmanship and humility. He was awarded the prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1997 से 98 and the Bharat Ratna in 2019, India's highest civilian award. He was also awarded Wisden leading cricketer in the world in 1997, 2010 and 2016. Off the field, Tendulkar is involved in several philanthropic causes. In 2010, he founded a cricket academy in Mumbai to help develop young cricketers. He is also a UNICEF ambassador for sports and an ambassador for the Save the Children campaign in India. Tendulkar retired from cricket in 2013. And since then he has been involved in various roles such as mentoring young players, being a commentator and also as a member of the Indian Premier League (IPL) franchise Mumbai Indians as a team icon. His career and life is widely documented in books and movies and his legacy continues to inspire many aspiring cricketers. Sachin Tendulkar is widely considered one of the greatest batsmen of all time and holds many records in cricket. Some of his most notable records include: most runs in international cricket. Tendulkar is the leading run scorer in both Test and One-Day International (ODI) cricket. He has scored 15,921 runs in Tests and 18,426 runs in ODIs. Most centuries in international cricket. Tendulkar is the only player to score 100 international centuries, 51 in Tests and 49 in ODIs. Most runs in Tests. Tendulkar holds the record for the most number of runs in Test cricket with 15,921 runs. Most runs in ODIs. Tendulkar holds the record for the most number of runs in One-Day Internationals with 18,426 runs. Most centuries in Tests. Tendulkar has scored 51 centuries in Test cricket, the most by any player. Most half-centuries in Tests. Tendulkar has scored 68 half-centuries in Test cricket, the most by any player. Most half-centuries in ODIs. Tendulkar has scored 96 half-centuries in ODI cricket, the most by any player. Most Man of the Match awards in Tests. Tendulkar has won 62 Man of the Match awards in Test cricket, the most by any player. Most Man of the Match awards in ODIs. Tendulkar has won 63 Man of the Match awards in ODI cricket, the most by any player. Longest career. Tendulkar has played international cricket for 24 years, 1989 से 2013. These are some of the records that Tendulkar holds, but there are many more records that he holds. He is considered one of the greatest cricketers of all time and his records are considered as milestones for many cricketers to achieve.